Whenever we find ourselves in times of stress, our breathing changes. This may not feel pleasant, but because we know this, we can now change our breath to change our stress. This is how you do it. Place one hand on the abdomen just above the belt line and the other hand on the chest. Press down with the hand on the abdomen. Next, inhale slowly in such a way that the hand on the abdomen is pushed out while the hand on the chest remains still. This technique is called diaphragmatic breathing because the diaphragm is the muscle just below the lungs that helps with breathing. You'll want to practice this technique 5 to 10 times at a time and a minimum of 3 times daily to get the skill right. In addition to this daily practice, you should use it whenever you feel anxiety or physical tension. Just be warned though that this technique can cause more anxiety for certain individuals with anxiety disorders, especially if you have panic already. So if you start to feel the breathing technique making your symptoms worse, then rather stop. However, for most people, if you practice this technique on a daily basis, chances are you'd reduce the amount of stress in your life. Stress is a difficult emotion, but let's use the tools we have to deal with it, and especially tools that we use on a daily basis without being conscious of it, like the breath.